Paolo Gaudenzi. I'm the Science and Technology Counselor here at the Consulate General of Italy in Boston. Italians are innovative by nature. They are good entrepreneurs, but they are also people rich of creativity. So sometimes you think about creativity just in arts or literature, but there is a creativity in science, there is a creativity in technology, and there is a creativity in business as well. So the idea of these days, science, technology, and business, is to take these three areas and put them together. If a guy is good in developing business because he's innovative and creative, he might have, in his team, good people that innovates in science and technology, and that might be the fuel for a real innovative industry. Italy has an industry that is very complex. We have a lot of manufacturing companies, and actually Italy is a leader in manufacturing and also innovative in this area. Today we are celebrating here at the Consulate the Day for New Manufacturing Topics, and exactly today in Rome there is a brand new space smart factory being inaugurated with something like 20,000 square meters for the development of satellite constellations. So a big innovation in the space, in the European space industry. We need innovation in manufacturing. Why do we need that? Because especially Western world have renounced it in the last decades to increase production and thought that they were just an area for services and not for direct manufacturing industry. On the contrary, this is needed, but it's not so easy to produce once again in Western world, because prices and competition are not there. You have not the skilled people, the skilled workers. So you need somehow to rethink manufacturing and introduce all the digital tools, ways, and means to enable a production line to be competitive, sustainable, and, at the end of the story, good for business development. This is exactly how AI might enter in production line, in the design, in the concept of new advanced manufacturing production lines, and generate the benefit for the company, especially Western world. There is a strong initiative by Cassa Depositi and Prestiti, that is an important sovereign venture capital of Italy, and they are investing in many areas, including a brand new fund in biotech. But there are a number of increasing efforts to promote innovation, also on the private side. The thing that Italy should maybe work to improve is the technology transfer for the very good network of universities and research centers through the production line. We can do much more in this respect, and I'm sure that Italy will do great step forwards in innovation, thanks to its people, thanks to the quality of its research, and thanks to the natural capability of Italians of being great entrepreneurs.